Hello YouTube family, welcome back. Please check back each month for the newest reveal. As mentioned in my January video, last November I purchased the gift of Revel for 2021, which is a monthly subscription to receive either one classy color, one sassy color, or both. Of course, I chose both because why not? For the month of February, we have one beautiful bright pink and a shimmering confetti type color. These colors are absolutely gorgeous. Revel really stepped it up after last month's colors, and this makes me incredibly happy. Now, my original plan was to do a standard solid color for all the nails and then the glitter one for the accent nail, but at the last minute I decided to try something new here, like a French tip situation. It did not turn out cute, you guys. I am so sorry, and that is in no way Revel's fault, but it was already too late to turn back. So I just continued on ahead with the manicure. It is what it is at this point. Despite not doing the exact idea that I had in mind for this particular manicure, the colors are gorgeous. The glitter is probably one of my favorite glitters. I'm not a huge glitter person, and this is just excellent. I love it so much. There are still 10 more months to go for this year, and I'm so excited for what these months will bring. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe to my channel and Instagram page, and don't forget to hit the notification button for new videos. Happy February and be safe out there.